Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to start grammar class. Class 1. First chapter name is letters and words. Letters. How many letters or how many alphabets are there in English? So I hope you might have studied in previous class, LKG, UKG, nursery. So there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. How many letters are there? There are 26 letters. What are they? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these 26 letters, very important to read words or sentence. Through this letter only we can read or we can understand. If you don't know the letters of alphabet, so you are unable to read the books. So it's very necessary. So first of all, we should have to clear the ABCD. This basics is very important in English. If you don't know the alphabet, so you are unable to read the words. So that is why it is very, very essential in English. It is the first things to know the English. So my dear students, see the words. Through the letters only we read the words. Just you see pen, P-E-N. Now it's became words. Now second word is bat, B-A-T, bat. Bat means which we play the cricket. Bat and ball. And mug. You know mug, while you are taking bath, you use the mug. And cat. It is remain in our house, pet animals. Cat, pin. Pin means that is the alpine. Net. Net what we use at home. Cap. We are bearing the head. Dog. This is also pet animals. Glass. Where we drink the waters. Bee. Which make honey. Cow. It gives the milks. Shop. Where you go and purchase the materials. Ball. Where you play in the field. Doctors, this is also words. Doctor, when we are get fever or illness, we go to the hospital or doctor. So my dear students, words and letters are very important. First of all, when we don't know the ABCD, we are unable to read the words. So that is why all have to know very well ABCD. A to Z you have to know very well that each letters you should have to know very well. Then only you are able to read the words. Otherwise it will be very, very difficult for you. Thank you. May God bless you. Have a good day. Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to take class 1. First lesson's name is letters and words. Letters and words is very essential. Essential means very important. Without letters and words, we cannot form a sentence or we cannot make a sentence. So every students have to learn or write letters. First of all, it is very important, very, very important. If you want to read book or if you want to form a sentence, first of all, you should have to know the letters. Letter is very, very essential. And I hope that you might have studied in nursery class or UKG or LKG. So my dear students, First of all, you should have to know how many letters are there in alphabet. How many alphabets are there in English? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So it is very important. How many? 26 letters. If somebody will ask you, so you should have to give the how many alphabets are there in English. You have to say to that person or your friends or relatives, there are 26 letters in English. So, first of all, so that the letters are, what are they? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the 26 letters, and you should have to know very well how to write and how to read. Then only you are able to make, you are able to write a words. Through the letters only the words comes and sentence comes. So words, while if you don't know the letters, you are unable to read the words. So first of all, we have to clear this letters. So now words. Now how we see P-E-N. So it became pen. Pen मतलब कलम होता है. क्या होता है? कलम जहाँ पर लिखा जाता है. और बैट जहाँ पर खेला जाता है क्रिकेट फील्ड में. Where we play the cricket match. मग especially we take the bath during while we are. So तब उसी समय में यूज करते हैं और कुछ घर के काम में भी यूज करते हैं. कैट, ये तो पेट एनिमल्स है, हमेशा आपके घर में होंगे. सो ये कैट. और पिन तो आप जानते हैं वो घर में रहता है, वो बहुत छोटा चीज़ है. और नेट ये भी यूज करती है हम घर में. क्या, जो टोपी हम पहनते हैं हमारा हेड के ऊपर. और डॉग, ये भी पेट डॉग है, तो ये भी घर में रहता है. ग्लास, ये पानी पीने के लिए हमको मदद करता है. बी, ये क्या है? हनी, इट्स मेक हनी. काव, ये दूध देता है हमको. शॉप, जहाँ पर हम ग्रोसरी सामान वगैरह परचेस करते हैं. बॉल खेलते हैं फील्ड में. और डॉक्टर, जब हम बीमारी पड़ जाता है, तबीयत खराब हो जाता है, तब वो हमको क्या इलाज करता है. सो ये सब क्या है? वर्ड्स है. जब हम ABCD अच्छा तरह से आते हैं तब हम वर्ड्स बना पाएंगे और सेंटेंस फॉर्म कर पाएंगे. सो इसीलिए बच्चे, हमको पहला चीज़ है, हमको अल्फ़ाबेट मतलब ABCD कैपिटल लेटर एंड स्मॉल लेटर हमको अच्छा से आना चाहिए. तब हम क्या वर्ड बना पाएंगे, तब क्या हम सेंटेंस बना पाएंगे. सो इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू अस, वी शुड हैव टू नो द अल्फ़ाबेट. It's very important. So my dear students, I hope that you might have understood my teaching. So God bless you. Have a good day.